QR codes are an essential tool for every brand as they give a digital dimension to your products and services. Let's learn more together.
QR codes are incorporated everywhere. One of the best ways to use QR codes is for MP3 as audio guides. Whether you are writing your first book, autobiography, or memoir, or a business owner who wants to add audio guides on your product manuals, then MP3 QR codes is a must-learn today. How to make your MP3 QR code. Number 1. Go to www.qrcode-tiger.com. Number 2. Click the MP3 from the menu, and then upload your MP3 file. Number 3. Generate QR code. Number 4. Customize. Number 5. Download your QR code. All you need to know about QR codes. QR codes are much like barcodes. Instead of having a numeric price value, it contains a URL. It will lead scanners to a website with a scan of a smartphone. You can also create personalized QR codes with a logo. What is an MP3 QR code? An MP3 QR code will play a soundtrack when scanned. It is a convenient way to convert sound files to QR codes. No need for additional apps to play the MP3 file. QR codes and their usage in audio-related fields. QR codes are mostly associated with video content, but many fields have audio preferences as well. Audiobook guide. Put an MP3 QR code on your published books and make it play an overview. Give your readers a summary before they even buy it. QR code is a tour guide. An MP3 QR code can serve as a digital tour guide. Scanners will receive necessary information via audio. It is cost-effective and more informative and accurate, and essential for museums, clubs, and art galleries. Perfect for music bands. MP3 QR codes are a perfect guide. Imagine finding your way through the concert halls with QR codes. On albums, a QR code can play a sample. Upload your MP3 on SoundCloud and open more possibilities. Cities and cultures. Turn tourists' experiences more memorable. Have an accessible MP3 QR code for them to scan and listen to a digital tourist guide. Be able to conveniently walk them through the city's history. Advantages of an MP3 QR code. Easy sharing. QR codes promote easy sharing. No need to remember links on advertisements and look it up later. You can easily share them around people. MP3 QR codes allow you to convert sound files quickly, keeping your marketing campaign as digital as possible. Editable and trackable. Dynamic MP3 QR codes are editable. Change the content of your QR code anytime and with anything. Update audio files when necessary without having to reprint your QR code. You can also view real-time performance. See how your marketing campaign is performing by tracking its overall number of scans. Know the location of scanners and time of scans. Applicable on all devices. The content on MP3 QR code are viewable from all devices. Never miss out on potential audience or customer. Can I convert YouTube video to an MP3 QR code? A YouTube video cannot be embedded into an MP3 QR code. However, a video QR code can be linked to the YouTube video. Conclusion. MP3 QR codes are a game changer. They are more convenient and more interesting. Just make sure to use dynamic QR codes to update content and track valuable consumer data. Make your QR code now on www.qrcode-tiger.com.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe so we can learn more together how to apply QR codes successfully.